Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Janae, Antoinette, as you already know, and if you don't know, now you know. Okay guys, today I am bringing you another bedroom tour. I know I already have like 2 of these on my channel, but it seems like you guys cannot get enough and you guys keep on requesting them, so I'm gonna keep on delivering them to you. This time I'm doing a mini haul in the beginning, and then at the end I'm gonna have you guys decorate with me and show you an overall. A lot of people in my videos always asking where did I get my headboard from. The whole YouTube beauty community has this bedroom set. But this is the Ferris set. You can get this bedroom set from Gallerie, or I got mine from Freddy's. But you can actually just type in Ferris set, bedroom set in your Google, and a bunch of different sites that have this set, it'll pop up. But yeah, on Gallerie it's called something else, so they don't have this particular one, but it looks just like this. And I actually saw this bedroom set in Macy's as well. So yeah, it's available at a lot of different places now. It should be really, really easy to get your hands on now. But let's jump into what I got from HomeGoods, Bath and Body Works, Gallerie. Let's see what all I got. This time I wanted to do like a neutral look, but make it look very fall, winter wonderland-ish. So let's see what we can do here. A lot of pieces are old, but I'm just going to show you the new pieces. If the pieces are old, I'm sorry guys, you got to watch my last videos that I'll put in the description box, and you can see where I got that stuff from, because I did list that stuff in those bedroom tours. But let's see what we got here first. So I went to Bath and Body Works and I brought some candles. Let's see. I'm really not a candle girl. I don't see how you guys are like candle people and things like that, because I don't really go crazy over them, because when I burn them sometimes, I don't know if I'm getting a bad candle, but the scent doesn't just linger the room unless it's like something like cupcake or pumpkin pie or something like that, and those are not really smells that I like, so I don't really buy candles. I don't know. I'm not a candle girl, is basically what I'm trying to say. But I do like how candles look in your room or in your home. Like, it sets a certain mood, and I love that. So I did pick up some. I got the mahogany tea wood. Yeah, let's see. It's this one. It's the seasonal one. Well, they have a regular one as well, but this one was cheaper. It was only $11.99, and it, because it has the seasonal package on it. It's a mahogany tea wood made with essential oils. This one smells like, it smells like a man's cologne. Like, I love that. Like, especially since winter is coming up, like lighting this and then like lighting this in my room and coming home at night and getting underneath my cover and just smelling a man's cologne. Guys, I can't. That means I've been single too long. I'm trying to get a candle to compensate for me not having a man hugged up on me at night before I can smell his cologne. Like, that's crazy. Whatever. We gotta do what we gotta do, ladies. We gotta do what we have to do. But I love the smell of this. Like, it just smells so good. It smells like really a man's cologne. If you ever smell the Versace blue for men, that's what this smells like. I love that one too. That cologne on men. ladies, that's a Christmas present that you can get for your man. The Versace in the blue bottle smells so good. I also picked up a candle holder they had. This is so pretty. It has little pumpkins on it. Oh, it's so cute. And this was $14.50. This is so pretty. I love it. I actually picked up 2 of those candles that I showed you guys. I have the other one sitting in this candle holder already. And this is another candle holder that I got. Let me take the candle out. But yeah, this is another candle holder that I got. And this one was $12.50. I love this as well. This is all so fallish, so winterish, like cozy. I love it. This is like my favorite season. I go all out, whether it's clothes, decor, anything. I love this season. The next thing that I'm going to talk about that's going to like tie all those accessories in is my pumpkins that Z Gallerie gets every year. These are like the best pumpkins. Like, I love them. I'm obsessed with them. And even though I showed you guys in another haul, I'm just showing you guys again because that's how obsessed I am with these. You guys have to pick these up. Like, you will keep these forever. They last a long time. I got mine last year, but it seems like they're bringing them back again. So, get your hands on these. You'll love them and you'll use them year after year, year after year. But I don't have the price of these, but I'll put the link in the description box so you can get your hands on them this year. I also went to At Home. We have an At Home here, and I picked up these vases. Very cute. I love it. I actually got 2 of them. One's tall, one's short. See? I'm going to set these on my dresser. This one was $21.99, and then this one was $19.99. These are so cute. I love it. Let me try not to break it. I'm going to set this on the dresser so it doesn't break. Okay. So then the next thing that I picked up, I went to HomeGoods and I got me some pillows and some pictures and a lamp. The first pillow I got was this taupey color. It kind of matches my headboard. I hope that the camera is picking up the color. And then it also has like these little shimmers in it, like silver shimmers. I love it. Give you that Tina Turner rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, it gives me that vibe. I love it. That's so cute. I picked up 2 of those. Yeah, here's the other one. Those pillows were... How much were they? I know one of them has to have a tag. $24.99. The next pillow I picked up is a white one, and it's very similar to that taupe one that I showed you guys, but this one is white and have silver strings in it. It's so cute, and it gives you that same Tina Turner vibe, and it's a little bit smaller than the taupe one. See? And I paid $19.99 for that one. I love when the pillows are $19.99. When they're past $20, I just be like, ugh. But yeah. And then I got another one. This one is tan. Boop, 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 boop. And it gives you that same thing. I love these pillows. They're so soft. I love like that they're going to add texture to my room. It's going to give it a little bit more glam, a little more going to make it look a little bit more cozy because the material on these. And I paid $19.99 for this pillow. Yeah. And to bring all these colors together, I'm just going to throw these on the floor. I just don't feel like having them on the bed with me. To tie all of these colors in, the reason that I got all of the reason I picked those colored pillows to begin with is because of the pictures that I'm going to put in my room. I'm like obsessed with these pictures. I'm obsessed. As y'all see, that's like my favorite word. Whenever I go shopping for anything, I'm obsessed. Like, I have a problem. I'm always obsessed with something. That's why I end up with too much stuff. But let me show you guys this picture. Whoa. Let's see. Can you see it? Can you guys see it? I hope it's picking up the color and everything. I love this. Look at this. Oh my god. It looks like woodsy. It has glitter. It has the neutral colors. I love it. It's so pretty. I hope the camera is picking up all this. Okay. But yeah, so I got that painted and I got 2 of those. And I'm going to put one on this side of my headboard and then the other one on that side of my headboard. Hopefully everything turns out okay. Oh yeah, I got one more thing. I got a lamp. You know what? That lamp is still in my car. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I had to go get the lamp. So the last thing I picked up was a lamp from HomeGoods. I keep on looking over there. Sorry. So the last thing that I picked up was the lamp from HomeGoods. Oh, this lamp is heavy. Hold on. Hope you guys can see it. It's like marble and cream. I love this lamp. It looks like a little trash basket, but it's a lamp. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed as usual with something. And this lamp was $89. I love this lamp. I don't really know if I'm going to keep the lamp though. I don't know if it's going to all go together. But so at the end, let me know what you guys think. Should I keep the lamp? If you have any suggestions, be sure to leave that in the comments below. And wait, I almost forgot. Did you hit that subscribe button? Did you hit that subscribe button? I've been talking all this time, so you have plenty of time to hit that subscribe button. So don't go telling me like, dang girl, I just got on the video. Nope, you've been here. Because I've been talking for a long time. Did you hit the subscribe button? You must don't want me to start the video because I'm sick of this. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of you guys just keep coming to my videos and just be like, oh, she's a new YouTuber. Like, give me a chance. Give me a chance. Hit that subscribe button, girl. Call your best friend and tell her, hey, it's a new girl on YouTube. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to her. Girl, I know you're going to like her. You are. But you know what? By now, I done talked enough. I'm sure you probably hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you like it, give me your thoughts at the end. And let's jump into this decorating.